Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Vivo T4X app is running and your study is loaded. This avoids delays. Next, pick the imaging set you want to search so results are scoped correctly. Once selected, activate the circle search feature from the toolbar or with its hotkey. This puts you in interactive mode. You do this now because subsequent steps depend on an active search cursor, and it saves time compared with switching contexts later. Draw the circle directly on the image, centering it on the structure you want to analyze. Precise placement yields accurate matches. Then apply filters, modality, time point, and intensity thresholds to reduce false positives. This explains why results focus on relevant frames. Once done, resize with the handles and hold constraint if you need a perfect shape. Make sure to preview matches after each refinement so you iteratively improve specificity and avoid redoing the whole search. Review the hits by toggling the overlay and stepping through matched frames so you verify true positives. This shows you why each match was returned. When satisfied, export the results as CSV or save annotated images for downstream reporting and shareability. If you get no hits, don't panic. Relax intensity thresholds or increase the circle by 10 to 20%, then rerun. This troubleshooting tip quickly resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.